I will teach electric dipole. Electric dipole. The term dipole itself indicates it exists in pairs. If it is electric dipole, that means there are two charges separated by some distance. If there are two pole strengths, they are separated by some distance, that is known as magnetic dipole. So, similarly, suppose this is the charge. It is charge plus Q, it is charge minus Q. Otherwise, if we take this one, it is the center O. So, from this to this one, distance is 2a. If we take this one, here you can take minus Q to plus Q. In this way, you can also take this one. If it is center, it is O. So, it is also 2a. Okay. This one to this one. So, that means up to this one A. This one is A. If you take this one, I will take it. Both are correct. Okay. So, carbon dioxide, okay, nitrogen dioxide, word itself means दो. दो क्या हुआ? दो चार्ज हुआ, separated by distance 2a. So, electric dipole is defined as it consists of a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by distance, that is fixed distance 2a. Okay, then come to points. Electric dipoles are common in nature. One is positive and negative. What are the common nature? Water, HCl, okay, CH3COOH, etc. you can take. So dipoles, electric dipoles are common in nature. Well, that is why you are taking 2a. Now question is, now 2a is more simple, well defined and more easier. It is up to mark. If you take A, it is not convenient. So 2a if you take, it is convenient. So to make the numerical values, to solve numericals, if you take 2a, it becomes more easy, more convenient and well defined. Then if you take this one, so it is becomes known as electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. It is denoted by P, that is what you are getting, Q into 2a. Q into 2a. Electric dipole moment is defined as the product of the either any charge plus or minus and the distance of separation which is fixed. It is the center, so it is known as center of the dipole. Okay, and most important thing is, you follow, if there is one charge and there is a minus charge, you can take any charge. The magnitude of charge you can take. So what you are getting? So here unit is coulomb, SI unit is coulomb, this is meter. So CGS unit is start coulomb and centimeter. Start coulomb into centimeter. So dimension is Q. So Q is 80. Then distance is this one. So you can write. So it is the dimension. But direction is how much? So direction is the direction of dipole moment along the dipole. So it's from negative to positive. So in this way it is negative to positive. If you take this one, so it is negative to positive. So this is about electric dipole moment. But basic importance is, now follow me. Basic importance is electric dipole moment. You can say it is EDM. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Because the center of mass of positive charge, the center of mass of negative charge does not coincide. So they have the basic significance in electric dipole moment is they have basic significance. They have permanent dipole moment. They have permanent dipole moment. Besides that, you know, one is ideal dipole. Ideal dipole is known as point dipole. So, how can you define? Ideal dipole or point dipole is a dipole having almost no size. It has only any location. Atoms, dipoles associated with atoms or molecules is known as point dipole. Point dipole or ideal dipole. Ideal dipole means if the distance between two charges is very small, 2a tends to 0. So charge becomes larger and larger. But their product is P is equal to Q into 2a. Electric dipole moment is finite, that is constant. This is about point dipole or ideal dipole. Okay? But basic. So what will get? This one. But any compound having positive and negative charge, suppose beside that sodium chloride, water, ammonia, alcohol, so these are also common dipoles. But the physical significance of electric dipole, mostly electric dipoles plays vital role to study the electrostatic behavior. So physical significance of an electric dipole, what is in the study of radiation of energy from an antenna, it is used, and in the study of effect of electric field in case of insulator, dielectric substance. But dielectric means non-conducting substance, they are used. Now time is using the formula P is equal to Q into 2a, we have to calculate some numericals. Suppose there are two charges, one is plus 10 microcoulomb, another is minus 10 microcoulomb, are separated by 10 millimeter. So find dipole moment and its direction. So in the previous classes I have already told how can you find the solution, what are the steps. Similarly, solution, it is numerical 1. If you write this one, numerical 1 solution. So one is charge. Here charge Q is equal to 10 product of either any charge, so 10 microcoulomb, and distance is how much? 2a is equal to 10 millimeter, so it is 10 into 10 to the minus 3 meter, and it is 10 into 10 to the minus 6 coulomb, because 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 to the minus 6 coulomb. 1 millimeter is equal to 10 to the minus 3 meter. So dipole moment P is equal to how much? Easily you just calculate this one. So 10 into 10 to the minus 6 into 10 into 10 to the minus 3. So it is 100. Then it is 10 to the minus 9. So it becomes 10 square into 10 to the minus 9. So that means 10 to the power minus 7. So we can write this one 10 into 10 to the minus 6. That means it is 10 micro coulomb meter. As don't try to forget to write the unit, capital letter micro coulomb meter. This is the answer. In this way, another example, suppose you will take numerical 2. Suppose numerical 2. In a hydrogen atom we know atom number 1. So 1 electron, proton is 1. There is 1 electron and proton. Suppose both are separated by distance 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. I am telling about suppose there is a hydrogen atom 1 electron and proton, and they are separated by this much distance. So calculate the electric dipole moment and its direction. P is equal to Q into 2A, because charge in magnitude is equal to how much? In both electron and proton. So जब आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज बोलते हो तब ये -1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 कूलम लेते हो. ये इसको बोलते हैं प्लस 1.6 10 to the minus 19 कूलम लेते हो. जब मैग्नीट्यूड लेते हो both are same, so 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19. Then 2A is how much? 5.5 into 10 to the minus 10. So now 1.6 into 5.5. You multiply this one and this one is 10 to the minus 29. How much you will get? It is for you. You just try to solve this one. You multiply, then this one. How much you will get? That is the coulomb meter. I am leaving for you. If you multiply this one, as you are plus 2 students, you are reading in class 12, you will multiply and you will get the value. Basically, in electric dipole, what happens? The distance between two charges is known as dipole length. Dipole length. What I am teaching now, it is known as Kp plus Pp. That I have already taught, but it is knowledge plus R plus. That means it is the dipole length. But this axis is known as dipole axis. Dipole axis. So first point is over. In second point, the net charge in electric dipole is how much? Plus Q plus of minus Q is equal to 0. So net charge is 0. So electric field E is equal to F by Q. So F is equal to E into Q. So that means E into net charge 0. So this one is 0. So net force is 0 in electric dipole. But electric field is not 0 due to displaced charge. Mind it. Then in third point, if we will place this electric dipole in a uniform electric field, so what will happen? So net force is 0, but there is some torque. But in case of, if you will keep this electric dipole in uniform electric field, this happens. But in case of non-uniform electric field, if it is, suppose it is non-uniform electric field and you are keeping electric dipole, so what will happen here? So there is some force and there is some torque. To better understand electric dipole, if we draw the figure, can I erase? Okay. So if the direction, fourth point is, suppose this one is oxygen atom. This one is oxygen atom. So it is oxygen has valence 2, so negative charge, and this one is hydrogen. It is positive charge. Then this one is positive charge. It is hydrogen. So what happens? In case of water, we can write this one 2H plus O minus, but this one negative to positive. So in case of electric dipole moment, for your better understanding, direction is this one. So this is denoted by P, electric dipole moment, that I have already told. But in case of water, the angle is how much? 105 degree. Actually it is 104 degree. 104 degree. 28 minutes. We are considering this one 105 degree. Shape is V shape. Due to lone pair bond pair repulsive interaction, it happens. For your better understanding, you can ask your chemistry teacher or consult with chemistry teacher. Actually, angle is 109 degree, 28 minutes. But what I told, due to lone pair bond pair repulsive interaction, so this one is 105 degree. This is about electric dipole and electric dipole moment. And after that, if you follow the notes, you better understand.